Hey guys, so today is going to be a video a little bit out of my ordinary. So a couple days ago I went to Best Buy and I got my first MacBook. I have been eyeing this MacBook for so long, like months, literally months, probably like since the summertime. Every time I would go on Best Buy, I'm just looking at this MacBook, and I finally got it a few days ago. And it's crazy because I have had this sitting in the bag. Like, I was so disciplined. I said, I gotta make this video. I can't open it. I can't take no peeks or nothing. Like, you're gonna get the first look of it together, okay? So here she is. This is the MacBook Air with the M2 chip in the color Midnight. So this is like a new color. I find that kind of cool. I did get the 256 gigabyte one. So this is really specifically for editing. Like, I have a computer for school already. And then this one is just going to be specifically for editing any type of thumbnails I want to do, any type of video editing I want to do. So yeah, I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get into this opening, y'all. This is what we here for, okay? There's a tab right here. Oh, I have waited forever for this, y'all. Like, woo, it's getting hot. Okay, so I think just peel this off. Can y'all see that? Okay, just peel this off. Yeah. This is so exciting for me right now. Let's put this right here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I got some accessories to show y'all too. So that's gonna be real cute. I'm gonna show y'all the accessories like towards the end once we get her set up and everything. All right, y'all. The moment we all been waiting for. This is so dramatic. Ooh. So of course I'll be dramatic and show y'all this stuff first. So the charger is like a magnetic thing now. So instead of you plugging it in, this part goes into the box and then this part goes into the computer. So it's a magnetic charger now and it's like a braided design. Do y'all see that? That's really cool. And then it looks like the box is the same. So the same old, you know, laptop charger box, big, and then this comes out. Let's unwrap it so we can get the look of it. This part just goes into here, same thing as always. And then, you know, it always comes with the manual and what to do and everything else. And I think it should have the stickers in here. Let's take everything out and see. So it comes with the manual, basically the basic of how to set it up and turn it on and all these other different things. Stickers match the color of the MacBook. It looks dark on camera, but it's really cute. And then just another little paper they include with all their electronics. Now let's get into the goods, y'all. Let's get into the goods. Okay. So it has a paper around it. Oh, she's so pretty. I don't even want to touch it. I don't want any fingerprints on it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's so pretty. Here she is, y'all. Wow. It's so thin and lightweight, but that's how MacBooks have always been. But it's really, really thin. It's really, really lightweight, and that's it, y'all. This is her. This is her. Okay, the color is so pretty. I have to see this up close. I've always loved this little intro thing that they do.
Yes, English is the main language. Press the return key.
Uh-oh. Got Siri talking to us. Okay, let's pick the language. We're gonna do English, of course. Country or region, it's gonna be United States. Continue. Wi-Fi later. Data and privacy, continue. If you have information on another Mac, you can also transfer it to a time machine, on Mac, time machine, or startup disk, on Windows PC. Let's do not now. I don't want to put anything on here right now. Okay, agree. I agree. Wow, okay, let's go ahead and put the name in. Asking about location services. Continue. Screen time. Continue. Enable Ask Siri. Continue.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system preferences.
I can choose a voice. Okay, let's see who we're gonna use. Let's see who we're gonna use.
Hi, I'm Siri.
That's annoying.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri.
No.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Ew.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it.
Hi, I'm Siri.
I think we like
Choose
this
the
one.
voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system preferences.
Do we like this one? Y'all like this one? Let me know in the comments if y'all like this voice. Let me let y'all hear it again.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system preferences.
I feel like that's the reason he's number one, because he's the best voice. So we gonna go with him. Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, it's ready. Share. This data is not associated with help to store the audio. I mean, that's fine. You can store it on here. Touch ID. Okay, we're gonna do Touch ID now, y'all. Place your finger. Do I want to use my, which finger do I want to use? Use my thumb? I think first finger is kind of the easiest thing. Let me wipe it off. Let's do the first finger. Touch ID is ready. Let's see. Select the appearance. We're gonna do dark. I always, ooh, y'all. Choose your look, continue. I'm gonna do dark. Wow, we're set up. Of course, it's about to die, but here we are, y'all. This is it. Like, let's see what apps we got on here. Not much. It's okay. Okay, so they did let me set it up without doing my Apple ID. That's cool. Well, yeah, y'all, we're set up and ready to go. Like, whew. This is so freaking cute. I love this for me. I just feel like this computer just looks so good sitting in front of me right now. Like, the color is just so different. I love it. It's like a really, really deep blue. Like, I know on camera it probably looks really black, but it's blue. So y'all know me, Miss Extra. Would I really be me if I didn't get the cute accessories to go on it? Like, for real. So I got a sleeve for it, then I got a case to actually put on it just for a little added protection. So everything is from Amazon. My link is always in my description below. So if you want to get these accessories, they will be listed on my storefront, and the link is going to be in the description. So, ooh, it's a little hard to open. Okay, so this is the sleeve. It's just a clear one. So originally, like when I saw other people with it, I wanted the sleeve that was like all rhinestones, like the whole thing was just covered in rhinestones. But then I was like, I really like this color, so I wouldn't want to cover up the color. So I got a clear one, but it does have like sparkles in it. Y'all probably be able to see it better once I actually put it on there. But yeah, I saw it on there. I was like, I have to get this one because I wanted something that was a little razzle dazzle, but not too razzle dazzle to the point where I'm covering up the beauty of the MacBook. So this is the one that I decided to get. They got this stuff packaged real good. That's really cute. Do y'all see the sparkles? I think y'all can see it. Yeah, that's cute. So we're gonna snap this bottom part on first. Okay. And then on this top part has plastic on it too. Okay, let's see which way this one goes. Okay, now we're cooking with grease. Now we're cooking with grease. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at the sparkles. Do y'all see that? That's so pretty. I love that so much. Okay. I was trying to say I didn't want a cover on there. It actually looks really good with the cover on there. And then the next thing I got for it, this is the SD card adapter. So content creators, y'all know when y'all like edit on your computer, you have to have like something to plug into it to put your SD card into. So this is the one that I got. I'm gonna put this on my Amazon storefront as well, so y'all can get this too, because it's definitely a need for content creators. And it comes with a few holes actually. So it has 3 different holes here. It's like one of them looks like you charge your phone, and then one is for the SD card, and then one is for like the micro SD card. I don't know what exactly those are used for, but I know I always see them whenever I go and get my SD card. So yeah, it has 3 different holes, and then this is the part that goes into the computer. Last thing that I got for it was this sleeve. So this is the sleeve. She's really cute, y'all. She's really cute. It's gray. And yeah, so I just close the computer up, just slip it in the sleeve, and then it like magnetically closes. It fits nice and snug in there. That is so cute. Like, it just looks very, it's giving corporate. Like, that's what it reminds me of, like a corporate folder with files in it. I don't know. But that's really cute, and it's a really soft design. Like, it probably looks like it's a little hard, but it's actually really soft. And then it comes with this cute pouch to match, y'all. So this is the pouch that's gonna hold like the charger, my SD cards, my SD card holder, everything that I need to carry with my MacBook at all times. So whenever I have this, I'm gonna have this one as well. So the charger can fit in here, and then the SD card reader. And you just zip it up, and that's that. So this is so cute to me, y'all. I just feel like this is the one. This is the sleeve that you should have for your MacBook, because it comes with this to match, and it's just so cute. Like, you on campus or whatever, just throw this and this in your book bag, and you're ready to go. You have everything that you need for your MacBook. So that is the end of this unboxing video. I was so freaking excited to do this. Like, I have been having this sitting in the bag for days, waited for the time where I actually had the time to open it, and I was so happy to open it with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the MacBook, don't be afraid to leave a comment below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.